Closing the course, practice makes perfect. Given that you've come all this way and have completed the course, you will hopefully understand a little bit more about creating dashboards in Tableau, and hopefully what we did throughout this course will spark of your imagination. However, practice does make perfect. What we did here with a COVID dataset, the same type of steps you could apply to any other dataset. But what I would encourage you to do initially is see if you could build your own versions of this COVID mobility dashboard. Add your own flavor to it, add your own look and feel, and then try to do similar exercises with other data sets that you find online. There's a host of them at the moment. Pick what you're interested in, pick what you enjoy, and really push forward, because practice does make perfect. The more you do, the quicker it becomes, the more patterns within Tableau you can see. So, main thing, and this is a key takeaway, I want you to get better, I want you to improve, and practice is the key.